Hello everyone, I hope you are doing good. Welcome to another video about how to deactivate Swagbucks account. So let's say you're not satisfied with the service you are getting, the way of earning points. So it is a very simple process. All we have to do is hover over your account right here in the right corner and then go to settings. From here you want to navigate to the very bottom of this page, and as you can see, deactivate my account. It is going to promote you. If you click it, deactivate my account, it is going to promote you with this very sad looking emoji and says before you go, you can disable email notifications. If you are getting spammed, you can contact customer support here. If you are getting any issue, in the very last sentence reads account deletion is final. There will be no way to restore your account. So make sure you're completely sure you want to get rid of all your information on Swagbucks by deleting your account. If you have any Swagbucks to redeem swag points, make sure you do that before we close it. But that is how you deactivate your Swagbucks account. So I repeat, if we are in on the main page, we just hover over icon, we go to settings, then we go all the way down and tap on deactivate my account, and that's it. That's how you can deactivate your Swagbucks account. And I hope this video helped you, and leave a like and a subscribe. If you have any question, please comment that in comments, and see you in the next video.